Welcome to Langkawi Oriental Village. Wow, just look at this place. The gateway to Langkawi's famous SkyCab ride. Before heading up the mountains, I had to stop and take in the beauty of this place. It's like stepping into a little paradise. Colorful buildings, beautiful lakes, and a lively atmosphere all around. There's so much to see here. Cute souvenir shops, fun activities, and even some wildlife around. Oh, and the smell of food? Amazing. They have some great local snacks, perfect for a quick bite before the big ride. Alright, I'm making my way to the SkyCab station, and I can already feel the excitement building up. The cable cars are right there, gliding high above the mountains. And oh wow, I'm about to be in one of those. Just a few more minutes before I take off on one of the most thrilling rides in Malaysia. If you're ever in Langkawi, don't just rush to the cable car. Take your time to explore Oriental Village. It's beautiful, peaceful, and full of things to enjoy. Now, it's time for the real adventure. Let's go up to the Sky Bridge. Whoa! We're moving! Slowly at first, but now we're going up, and I can already feel the thrill building up. The view is opening up and... oh wow, look at those green hills. Okay, now it's getting real. We're gaining serious height, and everything down there looks so tiny. I can see the treetops, and even a glimpse of the sea far out. It's like flying, peaceful, yet so exciting. And there it is, the middle station coming into view. What an incredible ride so far. This is just halfway up, and it already feels like a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I can't wait to go even higher. Alright, here we go. I'm inside the Langkawi SkyCab, and wow, the doors just closed. No turning back now. The ride is about to begin, and I can already feel my heart racing a little. Okay, we're moving. Slowly going up, and oh wow, we are getting high really fast. I can already see the entire landscape opening up below me. Lush green rainforests, and the ocean in the distance. Oh wow, we are really high now. I'm not gonna lie, this is both amazing and terrifying at the same time. That is an unforgettable ride. If you're visiting Langkawi, you have to try this. Just be prepared for a little adrenaline rush. Now we're climbing even higher. This part feels a bit steeper, but the view is getting more and more unbelievable. Wow, just look at that. I can see the entire Langkawi Sky Bridge from up here, spanning across the mountain peaks like a giant ribbon in the sky. The forests below, the curves of the bridge, and the mountains all around. And there it is. The top station is right ahead. I actually feel a bit more relaxed now, knowing I'm almost there. The fear has turned into excitement, and honestly, this view makes it all worth it. Alright, I've just stepped out of the top station, and now the real adventure begins. To reach the Langkawi Sky Bridge, I have to go down through the jungle. Yes, through actual forest paths and stairs. Let's do this. Okay, these stairs are pretty steep, and it feels like I'm slowly being pulled into the heart of the jungle. It's quiet, just the sound of birds and the rustling leaves. Honestly, it feels a little wild, a little mysterious, but so exciting. Look at this, dense greenery all around, giant trees, mossy stones, and the air smells so fresh. It's peaceful. These trails feel like something out of a jungle movie. Yes, I finally made it to the Langkawi Sky Bridge. And just wow, this place is even more breathtaking than I imagined. Standing here, surrounded by clouds and mountains, the view is just 360 degrees of pure magic. I can see endless green valleys, the distant blue sea, and tiny cable cars moving in the distance. It feels like I'm on top of the world. Alright, I'm peeking over the edge now. And oh, it's a long, long way down. My legs feel a little shaky, but I can't stop looking. It's scary, but also super thrilling. This height is unreal. Welcome to one of the most breathtaking attractions in Malaysia, the Langkawi Sky Bridge. Suspended 660 meters above sea level, this architectural marvel offers a panoramic view of Langkawi's lush rainforests, towering peaks, and the endless Andaman Sea. Stretching 125 meters, this curved bridge is one of the longest free-span bridges in the world. Walking here feels like floating above nature, with the cool mountain breeze and stunning landscapes all around. If you're an adventure lover, this is a must visit. As the sun sets over Langkawi, the view from the Sky Bridge becomes even more magical. Whether you're here for the thrill, the beauty, or just to experience something unique, the Langkawi Sky Bridge is truly unforgettable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.